Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Carlos. I install windows and doors. Today I'm going to be showing you how we go about to measure for a door slab replacement. So if your door slab is damaged or you just want maybe glass on a door similar to this that doesn't have any, I'm here to show you how to go about doing that. So pretty straightforward, a couple of things that you're going to need. One is your tape measure. The other is just a simple diagram where you can take your notes. I would definitely recommend something like this. So pretty straightforward, just a diagram of the door from the interior view. Okay, let's get to it. So one of the first things you want to do is measure for your door slab width. So on this door, it's basically from this corner to this corner right here. The way to do that is just clip your tape measure and measure it to right on the edge. If you notice, this one is 31 3/4. That's the nominal size. It's considered a 32. So your door will always be slightly less than its if it's a 32, for example, it'd be just slightly less. It's a 34, 36. It's always going to be a little bit smaller. That's fine. The next thing we want to measure is for your door slab height. So on this one, what we're measuring is from right the edge of your door slab to the bottom edge of the door slab. So the way we do that, again, we just clip it at the top and then we follow all the way to the bottom. Now, if you notice, this door slab has a sweeper at the bottom, so we don't want to measure for the sweeper. We want to measure for the actual door, which is about 79, which is fine. That's considered an 80 door. Again, nominal sizes, your door slab is going to be slightly smaller than the 80. One other thing you want to measure is for your thickness of the door. So just to make sure your new door is the same size as this one. And on this is 1 3/4 inches, which is perfect. That's standard sizes. All right, so the next thing we're gonna show you how to do is measure for your hinge cutouts and for your bore cutouts. Okay, next we're gonna be measuring for your hinges. Now, the reason I open the door is to have better access to the hinges. So what we want to do first is measure for your actual hinge size. So we just go from edge to edge. On this hinge, we're at 4 inches. Now, some hinges are 3.5. So I just want to make sure that the cutout is for the right size. And next, we want to make sure that when they do the cutouts, that all of these match where your existing cutout is. That way everything fits perfectly. The way to do that is by measuring from the top edge of your door slab to the top edge of the hinge. So at this point we have 6.5. Now on the middle one, we do the same thing, 37.5. And then on the bottom one, we are at 68.5. So take note of those measurements. And then the last thing we want to do is measure for your bores for the hardware. So just to make sure that all this stuff lines up with your existing frame. So come inside and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so similar to the hinges, we want to make sure that these bores are drilled in the exact spot because we already have the bores on the frame. So we want to make sure they line up exactly. So if you notice the pattern, we click or we hook the tape to the top of the slab and we measure to the middle of this bore. So we're at 39 7/8, and then we move to this bottom one here and we're at 45 7/8. So that ensures that when you get your new one, it all lines up exactly like this one. All right, guys, thank you for watching our first video. Hopefully this was helpful to you. If you like what we're doing here, please subscribe, give us a like. We have a lot more videos to come, so see you in the next one.